In this video, I will guide you on how to enable automatic call recording on Samsung phone. Over here, I am using the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, but this should work out for literally any Samsung phone you have. There are basically two ways to enable automatic or auto call recording on any Samsung device. And while the automatic call recording feature is built in some Samsung phones from certain regions, in other regions you may not be able to find that feature. So to the first method, if your Samsung phone supports automatic call recording, the way you enable it or turn it on is to simply open up the call application, tap on it, and then on the top right, you should be able to see this three dot icon. Go ahead and tap on that as well. Go over to settings, and then from the settings, you're going to see the record calls option. Go ahead and select that as well. And just at the top, you're going to see the auto record calls. If you do not see this feature, then you don't have to worry. I have a separate method that would work out for you. But if you see the auto record calls feature in your own Samsung phone, you want to go ahead and enable it by tapping on this toggle button over here. More interestingly, you can go ahead and tap on the auto call recording text, and then from over here you can choose the type of calls you want to automatically record. So you can go ahead and choose if it is all calls, or you want it to record only calls from saved numbers. You can select this one. If you want specific numbers, you can go ahead and select this one and then add the specific number by tapping on the numbers to automatically record over here. You can add them from your contacts. And then finally, we also have the all calls except specific numbers. You can as well go ahead and add the number you do not want it to record from over here. But this method is specifically for Samsung phones that comes with the automatic call recording feature built into it. If yours does not have it, the second method is to go over to the Google Play Store, and then you want to go ahead and search for the app known as ACR Cube. Go ahead and tap on it, and then make sure you download and install this application into your Samsung phone. Once it is installed, you can tap on the open button to set up the application, follow the on-screen instructions, so tap on next, give it all of the permission it requires. Just click on allow, click on OK, allow it to access your location as well, click on allow all the time, and then at this point you want to tap on the cancel icon on the top left over here. Tap on it again, and then tap on it one more time. Now once you get to this page, you want to tap on the more option, and then you're going to be redirected to a browser on your phone. You just want to scroll all the way down. We are actually supposed to get the helper application that will enable this particular app work properly. So go ahead and tap on the Galaxy Store option over here. This is going to open up the Samsung Galaxy Store on your Samsung phone. You can as well get it from any other store. If you do not have access to the Samsung Galaxy Store, you can get it from any other store listed over here. In my case, I have the Samsung Galaxy Store, so I'll just go ahead and install it by tapping on the install button over here. And once the app is installed, you want to also set it up. So click on open, click on next, grant it all of the permission it requires as well. And then finally, you want to tap on the enable app connector over here. Go over to installed apps, and then make sure you also enable the ACR app connector. Make sure you allow it, and then you're good to go. So click on OK, click on OK. Now open the Cube ACR app, and that is basically all you have to do. Now this particular app automatically record phone calls on your Samsung phone. So if I go ahead and make any call now, from the top notification center, you're going to see that the app is already working. And then if you also exit the call and then just end your call, and then go back to the Cube ACR application, now you can see the app over here. You can see that all of my calls were actually recorded, and I can go ahead and play it directly from here, and then even share them if I want directly from here as well. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.